Good afternoon, everyone. Are you guys okay? So, in this world, it is more important to understand and respect each other. And now, there is someone who can share the story of his life. And let's welcome Sir Chris.
Thank you, Mom. Hi, I'm Chris Flores. When I realized I was gay, it was a big deal.
Good afternoon, Ma'am, Dad. Ma'am, Dad, I have to tell you something.
What is it? Do you have any problem? Just tell us.
Ma'am, I'm sorry, but I'm gay.
We already know that you're gay.
We've been observing, but we'll be waiting for you to say something yourself, because there's really nothing we can do. After all, you are a child and we accept you.
But having a parents that accepted me helped me feel whole.
Thank you, Mr. Chris. Gender sensitivity requires us to listen deeply and respect each other individuals' identity. It's not just about acknowledging differences, but embracing them as individuals to our shared humanity. Let us spread positive vibes and love, and so let's stop discriminating to others.